At the Dave Friedman Team, we believe that success isn't worth it unless it's shared with many. As a business owner, I believe it's our responsibility to share with the community and support the community in any way possible. Now that could be financially, or it could mean man hours. We have over 70 team members on the team, and what that means is that we can organize efforts to help people through many different projects. We are also a profitable company, which means that we take some of our profits and we donate them to organizations in need. Sometimes these donations go directly to families that are in need the most. It's very important that you listen to the entire message because we're actually asking you for help, not to contribute, but to help us identify who we should contribute towards. Many of the different ways that we contribute are, again, through people just like you that fill out our form to let us know that there's a family in need or an organization in need that we can help out. Now what this might look like is we had a request that they said there was a family who had leaks in their roof and a hurricane had just come through and that their home was almost unlivable at this point. When we arrived there, we expected that this was a new roof leak, and what we realized is the roof probably had been leaking for about 7 years, and 2 rooms in their home were not even usable, and kids were sharing a room as a result of that. So what we did is we ripped off the entire roof, rebuilt the rooms that were damaged, got rid of the mold issue, and resheathed and re-roofed the entire home. And as a matter of fact, we did that for 3 families that year. That's an example of somebody that submitted an anonymous request for us to help one of their family members that was in need. Another thing that we do is we like to support community organizations that are important to us. So sometimes we donate when they have like a nonprofit fundraiser. We'll buy some things for their auctions for them to raise money. Sometimes we'll donate money to them directly, and sometimes we'll put together our manpower to help them through whatever their mission is. For example, the Charleston Water Keepers, there's been times where we've had 30, 35 team members organized to go out and help clean up the waterways in Charleston. About 5 or 6 different times we've organized over 30 team members to go to different orphanages locally to help make sure that their kids have what they need, a safe environment. And we've done a lot of landscaping needs, rebuilding some of their projects that have been dilapidated, donating things for the kids to use to have fun, and just trying to enrich their lives in any way that we can. We've also helped with disaster reliefs where in other parts of the country or even world, we've not just donated to local families in those locations, because we know if that were to ever happen to us, we anticipate that there are some other people out there that would contribute towards our community, but we've actually flown our team members out to other locations to help in those neighborhoods to clean up and get through disaster relief. Not just that, but we believe in everyday acts of kindness. Sometimes people just need some flowers to brighten up their day. They've been through some kind of hardship, they've been through some kind of problems, and they just need something to brighten their day. And so we try to every day just strive to brighten other people's days and be a shining light within the community. Now the hope is not that we're just impacting these people and these organizations on a regular basis, but we're also inspiring others to do the same. And that way it's a lamp lighting effect where we lit one lamp and somebody sees that and they go out and light other people's lamps too. Now, here's where we need your support, is we have a form that you can fill out here. And this is where you can submit anonymous requests for us to be able to help either organizations or families in need. And so what we do is when we receive those requests, we go through them and prioritize, and we're not able to help every single request. So we go through and prioritize what we are able to do with our resources, and we go out and try to satisfy as many as possible. So are you part of an organization that does incredible work but you lack resources? Are you an individual that needs some help and needs some financial assistance? Are you somebody that knows other people that can fit into these categories? Please let us know. We want to hear about these instances. It'll guide us towards helping the families and organizations in need. To submit, go to davecares.org. Again, that's davecares.org, and you could submit your information there, other people's information there, and we're here to help. Because together we can make Charleston and the world a little bit brighter every single day. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your assistance.